everyone. Thank you so much for joining Dele and I again. My name is Tommy. This is my little sidekick, Dele. He is the main character from my book, The Adventures of Dele, the Street Kid. Now, thank you for joining us. I hope you have watched the first and second video. This is the third video. And the beat today is a little bit tricky, but I am going to take it very slow so you're able to play along. Now, before we start, there's something that you need to do. I'm going to give you a 5-second countdown. I want you to go off and grab your instrument and come back and join us. Don't be late. Right, let's count down. Dele, are you ready? Dele is ready. Let's go. 5, 4, 3. Come back. 2 and 1. Ready or not? Here we go. I've got my djembe. I'm ready. Dele, have you got your djembe? Dele's ready. You have got your instrument and you are ready. Let's go. Okay, so before we start, Dele and I always like to wake our hands up because sometimes our hands can fall asleep and sometimes they can feel very stiff, right? So we're going to exercise them and wake them up and make sure that we're ready. Let's go. Shake them up. To the side, the other side. Shake them down. Let's do that again, but a little bit faster this time. Shake them up. To the side, the other side. Shake them down. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Dele, are you ready? Dele is ready. Okay, so this is the beat of the day, and I want you to listen. Beat, tap, beat. Tap, beat, tap. Okay, I'm going to slow that down. Beat, tap, beat. Tap, beat, tap. So I'm going to do that again. Right, this is the beat of the day. I'm going to start the timer. We've got 3 minutes to learn this beat. Boom, here we go. Right, I want you to listen and I want you to watch. Beat, tap, beat. Tap, beat, tap. Let's do that one more time. Beat, tap, beat. Tap, beat, tap. Now you're going to have a turn with me. Let's have a turn together. Let's go. Beat, tap, beat. Tap, beat, tap. Right. You know I always like a challenge. Let's try and speed it up just a little bit. Beat, tap, beat. Tap, beat, tap. Beat, tap, beat. Tap, beat, tap. Now let's do that together. Let's go. Beat, tap, beat. Tap, beat, tap. Beat, tap, beat. Tap, beat, tap. I know, it's a little bit tricky, but I want you to get into the habit of doing the beat and the tap in your head so you can actually hear what it sounds like. So I'm going to do that right now. Do the beat and tap in my head and just play. I want you to listen. We've got loads of time to still learn this beat because it's a bit tricky. Now I want you to try and do the same thing, the beat and the tap in your head. I want you to listen to the sound. I would have a turn again and then I want you to join me. So do the beat and the tap in your head. Now let's do it together. Dele, are you ready? Oh, Dele, are you struggling a little bit? It's fine, just practice. Practice makes perfect. Let's go, we can do this. Let's do it together. Way, well done. If you're finding this a little bit tricky, it's fine. You can always pause the video and you can try and get the sound, get the pattern, and then you can come back and join. I'm going to do it one more time. So I want you to listen and then we'll have a turn together. Oh, we've nearly run out of time. Let's do it very quickly. Okay, let's do it together. Ooh, let's do it together. We've run out of time, but let's do it together. Yay! Well done. I'm going to speed it up a little bit for you because I want you to practice. I want you to go off and to practice, 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 and you will get better. Well done. Thank you so much for sticking with Billy and I hope these lessons are helping you to develop your rhythm. We will be back again to help you. The next bit might be even trickier. I don't know, or it might be easier. Whatever it is, bring your determination, bring your can-do attitude, and you will be able to learn. Thank you so much for joining us. Please share, like, subscribe. Let your friends know, let your neighbor know, let everybody know. Whoever wants to learn how to play the djembe this new year, come and hang out with Billy and I. Also, just to let you know, you can grab a copy of Billy's book on Amazon. Links are down below. Please do support, buy his book, read all about his adventure. There's so much more to come from Billy and I. This is just the beginning, teaching you how to play the djembe. Thank you so much for joining us again, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.